You are going to love the 2015 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.